Welcome to Family and the Feast channel. My name is Janet and this is
Chloe again.
Chloe is our taste tester. Remember all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Let's get started, guys. So guys, in today's video, we will be making crab curry or curry crab, however you say it. And for my ingredients, I'm using some coconut milk, and this I got from the supermarket. You can, if you're using the canned one, you can go ahead and do that, or you can use the freshly grated coconut. It doesn't matter, anyone is fine. I have some Accent, chicken bouillon, adobo, flawless curry powder. I have some chopped scallions, my green seasoning. And for my green seasoning, there's going to be a link down below in the description box showing you how I prepare my green seasoning. I also have garlic that I'm going to be grinding or grate. I have some masala, and this is from the Indo-West Indian brand. And my crab, and this is the wild Dungeness crab I'm going to be using today. So the first step is I'm going to go prepare my garlic, blend my garlic, and I will head over to the stove right after that. So now that I finished grinding my garlic, I'm going to add this to my bowl, and we're going to add in our green seasoning. I'm going to add in my masala and my curry powder, and we're going to mix this in. Make sure that all the ingredients are combined. And you also don't want to add any of the dry curry powder or the masala to your oil. If it burns in the oil dry, it can make your curry taste bitter. So now that we have our curry mixture, we're going to head over to the stove. So our next step is turning our stove on to medium high heat. Now that my stove is lighted, I forgot to mention that we will need some oil as well. So you're going to add in your oil. So we're going to allow our oil to come up to a nice hot temperature before we add in our curry mixture. So now that my oil has come up to a nice hot temperature, I'm going to add in my masala. And you're going to allow this to fry for about 2 minutes. And for my green seasoning, guys, you can check out my video that I uploaded about how I prepare my green seasoning. Or if you would like to prepare your green seasoning different than mine's, you can go ahead and do that. I know some of us like to use different ingredients for our green seasoning. This is only my style. So after the 2 minutes, I'm going to add in my crab now. And just after I add in my crab, I'm going to add in my coconut milk. We're going to mix this in now and make sure that all the crab is covered with the masala. So after you add your crab and your coconut milk, you want to turn this to make sure all the ingredients are combined. So now that that's all combined, I'm going to add in all my dry ingredients. I've combined all in the same container. And we're going to mix this in as well. We're going to cover this and allow it to fry for about 2 minutes or so. And then we'll check on it. So it's been that 2 minutes, and I'm going to check on my crab now. We're going to cover this again and allow it to fry again for the next 2 minutes. So guys, it's been that second 2 minutes, and we're going to check on our crab. So now I'm going to add in my water, and I'm going to add in just enough to cover my crab. You want to set them under the water. Allow these to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remember, it's not a hard meat and it's not going to take so long to boil. You don't want to add too much water because the crab isn't going to take too long to cook, and you don't want the sauce to be thin. You want to have a nice gravy. So my curry has come up to a boil, and I just want to give you guys a look. This is smelling really, really good. I'm just gonna turn all my crab over so that the other side can cook. We're gonna cover this again and allow it to cook for the remaining minutes that we have. So it's been 20 minutes since I add my water, and I'm gonna add in my chopped scallions now. And we're gonna mix this in. So I'm not adding any salt to my curry. So if you want to add some salt, if you try it and you think that you need some more salt, you can go ahead and add it in at this time. But for me, I'm not going to add any salt to this right now. Now after I add my scallions, I'm going to cover it again and allow it to cook for the next 2 minutes, and then I'll take this off and this is good to go. So this is 2 minutes after I add my scallions, and I'm going to take this off now. I just want to give you a quick peek as to how it looks when I take it off the stove. And here you have it, guys, my crab curry. We're going to out the stove, and I'm going to allow it to cool down, and Chloe's going to try it and she will let you know how good it is.
Time to try it.
We hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.
Bye. See you in our next video. Bye.